Let's fix Telegram videos not playing on your phone. Now open up the Telegram app here and open up a chat with a video. You should be able to tap on it and start playing that video. If it doesn't work, the first thing I would recommend doing is opening up a web browser, and we're going to type in speed test here. We want to check to see if your internet is an issue. So hit run speed test and you should see over 10 megabytes per second. If you do, you're good to go. The second thing we're going to do is go back into the Telegram app and go back out of here, back again, and tap on settings at the bottom right. From here, let's scroll down a bit, tap on data and storage, and then storage usage. From here, just hit clear entire cache and clear the cache. And essentially this will clear out all the old files and everything and help it run a bit faster. After you've done that, let's head into the App Store if you're on iPhone or Google Play Store, and we'll tap on search. And we're gonna just search for the Telegram app here and check to see if there's an update. So if it says right next to it, there's an update, just go through the process of updating to the latest version. If there's not an update, the next thing I would recommend doing is heading into the settings of your phone, tapping on general, and then tapping on iPhone storage. You're gonna try to find that Telegram app here and scroll down till you find Telegram. And let's find it on this list. Where is Telegram? I'm not seeing it anywhere. Let's just hit the search bar at the top. There we go. And hit offload app and then reinstall. If you're on an Android device, all you need to do is go through the process of clearing the cache and clearing the storage. So after you've done all of that and it's still not downloading, I would recommend next just restarting your phone. So press the volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see that Apple logo appear. That will force restart your phone and definitely fix the issue.